Guys, so we mixed all of my clay in.
Add the beach.
Don't mind my hair. She has a beach sand color. She has black. And I have purple. So we are going to be mixing every color together. Come. I'm going to be the one mixing
Why
it.
first show our aunties? Come on. No. Yeah, we're going to show them.
What aunties?
Our aunties.
No. So guys, we're going to be mixing all of these together. So come. I'm going to be the mixer. Like, I'm going to be the mixer because I'm stronger.
There's a mixer.
Bye. I hate to see that beautiful colors get mixed with ugly colors.
Oh my word. It's ugly.
You can't even see the purple. Can somebody help? We must mix all of it together. Okay, guys. Take each one a piece. Each one gets a piece. Give her. Guys, I just want to tell you something. Guys, my name.
And my name.
Did you now seriously forget your name? Okay, come and tell your name. The guy's gone here. Guys, my name is Kiora.
My name is Melissa.
And your name?
Alicia is my name. Alicia.
Guys,
Sorry.
I'm mixing this. Look how ugly it's turning out.
My color. Yes, we give a piece to everybody. Yeah, we're gonna give it to you guys if you guys like it.
Python's ugly color. Guys, if you subscribe to our channel, we will give you those for free.
That is a surname. A surname is Python.
Ow! Guys, so if you guys subscribe to my video, just say what country you in and what's your name and yeah. And what's
I delete the